What are you guys doing this morning? Huh? Are you eating
Lucky Charms?
Lucky Charms? What are you eating? Where's your marshmallow? What is that?
Right here.
Good boy. There it is. Is that good? Thank you. Thank you. There it is. Did you get a haircut? Pretty. Do you need to get another haircut? Huh, Wyatt? A little bit. What did you do in school yesterday? Oh my goodness. Did you still what are you saying? Uh-oh. Is they going everywhere? Oh, no, he does everything you do. Don't do that. No, you eat with your hands. Yeah, oh, see, he's doing what you did, so he's making a mess. Put it down. Put it down, buddy.
I did.
Here, watch Wyatt. He's going to eat with his fingers. See? Can you do that? Oh, see how he's eating?
I'm already on the top.
Good. Well, good morning. A mess, Papa.
Out.
No, you ain't out. Sit down and eat.
You're not finished.
You're not finished. Good boy.
Papa.
Where'd Papa go?
No.
Where'd he go? Did he get his coffee?
I just don't know. No.
Okay.
You want to tell about you. No.
Better sit down.
I pee.
Just a minute. You want out? Oh. Parker, you're making a mess. You want to get down?